Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup calendar events using iCloud Calendar Sync, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you are signed into your iCloud account on your Apple device. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the Settings menu. Next, select iCloud from the list of options. You will see a list of apps using iCloud. Make sure the toggle next to Calendars is turned on. This enables calendar synchronization with iCloud. Now, open the Calendar app on your device. You should see all your calendar events synced from your iCloud account. To back up these events, go to any computer and open a web browser. Visit the iCloud website and sign in with your Apple ID. Once signed in, click on the calendar icon. You will see all your calendar events displayed here. To save a copy of your events, click on the calendar icon in the left sidebar. Select Export from the drop-down menu. A file with the extension .ics will be downloaded to your computer. This file contains all your calendar events. You can now save this file securely as a backup. To restore or import your events later, go back to the calendar on the iCloud website. Click on the gear icon at the bottom left. Select Import and choose the .ics file you saved earlier. Your calendar events will now be restored. That's how to back up your calendar events using iCloud Calendar Sync. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.